It's because I have a shoot or a content or there's something I want to do. You understand? So that pink hair, Peller, my brother, you're welcome. How you doing? Anyways, that pink hair is fine, but I have a shoot tomorrow and they require me to use another color hair, a dark hair. So I went back to my old wig. So people should not be thinking that it's also wig somebody is buying. Yeah. Yeah, the sugar day is not there. It starts finished. Don't be stupid. I lose marks today, but you are making me not have confidence in myself. It has almost finished. It's remaining small. It's not that it's not that bad. They remove it. But if you really went to school, you know the meaning of inflammation. Inflammation simply means that something that is rising. You understand? Inflammation is rising. You get? So when they did it, my cheek was inflamed. You understand? And it takes time for it to reduce. All thanks to the good body that God gave me. That I have a body that heals very fast. So I'm trying. Probably, God help me, I have a shoot tomorrow, so don't worry. And so from next week now, I'll start dropping some content. You get? You're telling me. Say silly. Somebody just type silly.
What's it they worry you? See small person they comment and say, Azepu, Adi, why?
Wait, did you not see that I went to go and carry nose mark? How am I supposed to see comments?
Let me mess on your head.
Wow!
That is private jets Air Fresna. Private jet Air Fresna.
I expected that when you enter private jet, your steeds will increase. But no, you don't see how steeds. You're like,
I swear to God, it is well. Come here. I saw you know a full up person. So now fake club Jarvis get for me. Come here, John. Where did they want you this one?
You're very stupid. I swear to God, I'm perceiving it one lie to lie.
I enter your speaker, I enter your phone.
I swear.
Oh yeah, guess what? Guess what?
I haven't.
I am a soup.
Oh, you're welcome, my brother. We miss you.
Don't try that thing. Which one be your brother? Oh yeah, call me your brother. I'm not gonna give you 5 naira in the money when they give me. I don't even give you before. I'm just joking. Really. Don't call me anything. I don't give you anything.
So they give us money to share.
I swear they don't give us. I swear to God.
You are lying. Shut up, what? You have already said what you not send him out.
I swear to God, I'm joking. They don't give us ship all. No one, you're not going to come here and tell me saying they don't give us. If you see me and my manager, better is with this night. That one don't they question the head. Kini, you know what I'm saying? Do.
What?
Now me they give. I swear to God, Tiwa Savage. See, I love her. I love that woman. You. How's everything? When you do for me, see, give me money, give me a lot of $100, $100. Peller, take. I swear to God, I'm a fucking billionaire. He give me $100. We lost. He give me biggie. Next thing, whenever I come over the airport, where the muscle drop out, my manager don't ask, where my Sia? I say, we Sia? Maybe the one where you sit on. We Sia with that. I swear to God Almighty. Do you know say my manager he give you from money of your specialism. He talk everything. Oh, he talk. Because of there, I want to give. I want remove $100. Give him. This one say no. Pepazio, he can't take this of that, this or this. I say I do a lot for you. You don't know how to appreciate. I carry you as a private chest. you snap, you post that on your WhatsApp. You don't even. People are not grateful.
Let me know. Hey, calm down. So where's the money now?
The money is for me. I have keep it because then I lost of 100. You know, say the sinner 100. I swear to God Almighty. I tell this person, say, Pepezio, me now. I dey go through a loss. I dey send money to this and that. This and they say, see, that is the same problem. You believe, say, I swear to God, you know this is my house. I jump down from the window, come down. Because then they pursue me. I swear to God Almighty. I jump down. I don't even care. God will scan rubbish dance. Eh?
You jump down. Which window? All your window has protector. So which window do you jump from?
You know that place where I put Wi-Fi? I pass that place, jump down.
You jump from there?
I swear to God. It's not about
see, you don't have sense. Well, lie to lie. You don't have sense. Imagine as you jump down, your enemy not pass there and go. Who will not carry the money? Who will not carry the money?
No, we carry the money, go. My spirits go dissolve. We are talking about dolls, not nigh. You understand? Not nigh. Not dolls, you, my baby. If you say misbehave, try me. That's where my money. See,
misbehave as in, I don't understand.
That's your small dollars. I swear to God.
I don't want to see. I beg you in the name of God. Keep it to yourself.
Why now? I made this money for us.
I don't want to see. I want to see pounds. I don't want to see dollars.
Okay. Even Naira, how much have you getting it? It won't come this
funny. Because you managed to see. I've seen dollars.
Who am I? Who me on bike? Dollars. Really?
Guys, which one did they play? Is this 1 year that I've not seen dollars? I've seen. Kenny.
Private jet. No.
Let me see.
I guess.
Kenny, why is he white? Why is he white? Show it when I scared.
No.
Are you scared?
No. TikTok, they go pant you. Why do you use the scope?
If you are coming, bring some. Let me see if it's real.
No, I don't bring some. You to feel what? What's the happen to this one? I do video. I do okay, not the one. I do video. I do video of Tiwa Savage when they tell. I do video of Tiwa Savage when they talk. Say, when.
Are you mad? What's going on?
My manager, I think say something they worry. I mean they call me. It is me. I don't say you there. What's the concern with you? I will give you shibo. What's it there happen? Come they call me for what reason? 5 naira won't keep you. If you like, call the police. I will win this game. Come tight. Not gonna give you shibo. Come they call me. Who cares? I called you call away. I know you are here. You are wasn't me. I don't care. We're talking about dolls. That's nice. So I'll be trying to assist you.
Shut up your mouth. Say the money will finish last.
I swear to God Almighty, it's a documentary to me. Say documentary they finish. This money in a documentary. I want to save it.
So you're going
I want
to
to
keep it. You're going to keep it.
A lot of $100. It is a easy. I don't feel withdraw.
How many hundreds? How many hundreds of dollars?
I'm not talking Liza.
Oh, okay. No problem.
This is a documentary.
For you not to say it, that means it's a lot.
It's a even small. It's a small. I talk of sense.
Maybe small. Say it.
I'm not saying it. What concern you care? Maybe I say maybe I'm going to put that. Yeah. Can you
Relax. Do not emphasize too much on it. Okay, Anna. Case closed. No problem.
I don't emphasize the money.
What did you buy for me? What did you buy for me?
See, for your life, don't tell me that. I suppose as I reach here finish, I suppose they come your house. Boss, person tells yeah, cook porridge down, had to come. I come call you after I don't reach here finish. Yeah. I just want to cook. See how they turn the talk. Don't want to.
Our private conversation.
I say for home.
You don't have sense or day. Guinea. Something I will discuss about waiting concern internet now. What's wrong with you? So we cannot talk about one thing privately. Are you foolish? You might literally know that when you come here, you're always stressing me that the food is not hot, that we need to warm it again. So I'm asking you, when are you coming?
They cook for me.
I'm mad. Who's your baby?
Cook for me.
No, my brother. Get out of here. You don't have sense.
Sorry, nah. No, remove me. Stop.
Calm down. Let me finish you first. You're
not
not
channel all to this nice again.
Guinea.
Sorry, I'll give
you. Nice one. Even if there's nothing for you, just stay in your house. I don't cook anything all day.
My baby, I just to God Almighty. See,
I'm not your baby anymore.
Calm down. Any pickings where you want porn for me? Porn baby like Chama.
Hey!
Chama. What's it the word? You come down there. Chama.
I'm not. Hey. See, let me tell you something, yeah? The new generation we are, it's not me that will give birth, it's AI. AI robots will give birth.
You didn't see
that the robot right now.
Anything will make you want to give pets. Keep pets up somebody like this. Come to vine. See how the boy is beautiful. Black kid, beautiful kids, everything. Now this boy, I like the boy. The boy make me feel.
Peller, let me tell you something.
Don't like that. Another word. My mama, I tell my mama they give me aburo. They give me younger ones. I want to like the boy. I like Jamal. I want no one. Nourish my pickings. I love you.
So Peller, the reason why this boy is fine is because of the mother. You get? So you Peller, you know you're not fine. Let us
it's because of the mother. You don't say it's because of the mother. So he gonna take your beauty. You don't say you're
the wife that you will marry. Shut up. The wife that you will marry will determine if your child will be fine.
Hey, you see that I'm married into. What's it the boy this one?
Married into.
I trust you.
Baby,
he go reach you. I don't plan our life down. I swear to God, no worry about reaching or no reaching. See, I swear.
So, Sarah, let me tell you something. Calm down. So, if I resemble you now, like if I resemble you, will you like me?
If you resemble me. Yeah, for that thing. What kind of talk that? Don't be telling me that thing. See, no start up this night. I swear, no start that one. You will see the word. You when you resemble me. I swear, no start to talk. Get out. See, no first me this night.
You don't have to think. You're supposed to be grateful to God. You're supposed to be grateful to God for giving you me. For giving me.
I swear to God, if you born picky will resemble me, your own don't finish with that. I swear to God, I don't go collect the picky. Most of them will still resemble me with my character, with this kind English.
So you have confirmed it that you are very ugly. So why do you want me to settle for an ugly person?
Yeah, okay. Is it cooking time? Are we in the kitchen? You are dancing. Hey, I'm dancing. Die, Baba. Are you crazy in the head?
Who
is that? Hello? You're mad. You not talk. You not talk. See, what you do now? You do evenings, you laugh, you dance so easy. Anytime where I don't do anything for you, where I put you, like tomorrow no day, no cry. You understand? Because if you calm down, listen to me. Because I tell you, you born picking like Chaman. You're saying, yeah, he will like me. Okay, wait, you not also marry me. I swear to God, I don't tell Tiwa Savage about how I want like that.
Yeah, let me tell you, it's a simple question I asked you. You have not answered it. I said,
died. I swear, it's not you. I swear.
I love her too.
You go come our wedding next year.
Calm down. Next meeting.
Next year. I propose to you this year. Hey, see, this time, baby, everything we want to do in our life, our future. This is
no. Calm down.
People contribute self for us.
Where are you running to? Where are you running to?
Don't about running in the future where we say person know they play again. Everything person go come, they love each other. No, now they no whiskey, everybody go come, they go. They go donation.
Excuse me. The marriage is not paradise that you just say I should enter like that. I beg you.
If you are paradise, okay, wait. You are looking at like
if you are so, you just want to marry, go to your Ikorodu and pick somebody and marry from there. Now, Kini, why is marriage hungering you so fast? Okay, calm down. There's a lot to do. Don't come and cage me with marriage. I beg you in the name of God. I have a lot to do.
Not that I'm caging with marriage, but I am still live. So what else? I have do see. Oh my goodness. I still live more than 27 years old person. I don't see life in it.
You have not seen anything. You just started.
Please, Jaffis, now I beg you, please, I beg your mama, I beg your papa, any picking where you won't come for me, born like that Jamal, that black is beautiful, I beg you, please.
Are you okay? Are you the
I tell you, if you don't born Jamali for me, any picking where you born like this, now you and yourself go to take time, I don't go even like you again. Born like that boy, where you find my life boy.
Look at somebody that is ugly, is telling me to give it to somebody that is very fine. If you were fine now, maybe the combination of my beauty and your handsomeness would have produced something spectacular.
I'm the
only one here. I'm the only one carrying the beauty here. I don't know, you're carrying a zombie own. How will it make sense?
I be aside to say the truth. You where you go keep picking too much. I picking go come get me. Go the treat am up and down, carry am here to there, carry am up and down. Maybe you want to that, you go tired to there.
You are crazy. It is your.
Pikin go come to say, Daddy, please, where to try care this for? You know go come there say, now your mama gets am in when I mess am. You see, not twice with me, not twice. You go see. Why you people not give me best award of person wey wan marry person wey be say he gets tumor?
You're mad. Shut up your mouth. My tumor or the tumor has been removed. I'm back to normal. I'm just waiting for my people.
Our pikin, you know the sweat didn't go through. You know the pain. You know the dust. You know the time.
See, God forbid, my child will never have tumor, but at least my child will have brain and have sense. You have empty brain. You don't know anything. So at least you'll be happy.
Empty brain, but Papa is making it
out there. See, tumor is not hereditary. You get me? It cannot be nobody can inherit tumor.
People go become the VP.
Become the transmitted.
Putting down for night. They tell them story. Your mama, he get a big bowl of tumor. Where we say the hospital people collect a money when we build a house, they collect
for this reason, I'm sorry, I don't want to have anything to do with you now and in the future. Go and find. No. My future child. You are very stupid. Go and find a girl from Ikorodu. Go and find a girl from Ikorodu that does not have at least empty brain from the same community. They'll produce nonsense. You are very foolish.
So why you change Nigeria? Hey, not go wear clothes. When go open body down, come here. Say you the vest. Come. Wear that vest back. You don't wear rubbish and come here. Come here. I know you think how you will burn Jama compressor. Wear that thing, I swear to God. You want to be attractive so your head's back. You know say that your head feed was the live stream. So that boy goes say, I'm see what I leave. And the boy don't go to say that my money work for your body. Because when I watch that your past self,
everybody says
your blood don't rise.
See. Everybody says forward ever. Well, you're always backward. Show Jawiri. Are you stupid? Why are you mentioning that nonsense on live stream? You don't have to say something without going back to the past.
You and that boy, have you kissed before?
I pray for your life, oh.
You don't kiss that boy before.
I thought as you cross.
Have you kissed that boy before? Have you kissed that before?
You that have kissed all the females in your DM, uncle.
Me or there. You know about this, I know the kiss. Ooh. You have kissed the boy, yes or no? Tell me the truth. I swear. You have kissed the boy.
If you see asking, you are very mad. This is nonsense you want to talk about on live stream.
Yeah, sorry. No, but you start it and the thing they paint me. Me, I come start it. Now
did I start it?
You where you abusing me, say, me I ugly, happy go ugly. Me I do this, happy go do this. Our pikin will get the most prouded, the most ogo father for life. Our pikin guesses. When we say everywhere we go don't build that, we go don't get car for our pikin. Now to just come to they enjoy. I go they drive am to school. They make am so now wicked. I will slap you from the home. Yeah. Why you not grateful?
What do you mean I'm not grateful? Did I ever complain?
I swear to God, this time around it's for you to crap your copy now. Because a lot of girls roast me. Oh! When you say they don't disfigure your face, nobody go rush you. They don't disfigure your face. You, it's me now that have hope. So shut the up.
Shut the hell up. You. I don't know what to call you. If you feel that, see, let me tell you something. If you feel that because my face is not even disfigured, I just came out from surgery, you get, I need proper time to heal. But if you think that nobody will chase after me again, just go. Let us leave ourselves. Like,
I'm joking, Joe. Come here.
No, it's an experiment. Let's part ways. Yeah. The next year, you say that I've gotten married. Well, lie to lie. Not even next year, December.
Anything not so like this, you can just push tension to you. That joke.
No, it's not tension. It's the reality of life, my dear.
After I don't stay with you when you want to die for hospital, now you want to pay me back to this.
After I stayed with you when
you are not telling me that one. They no see, whoa. None of your head of your family self cannot come say you cannot smile Jarvis bites. Put hand in the head of their middle. Don't mind me.
See, let me tell you something.
You're not born for power. You can't get I not go marry you. After sleepless night in your future.
Young man, too quiet, let me talk. See. Family does not have the right to determine or choose for me. I am the one that will choose for myself. They will only support. So if I tell family that I don't want you, they will support me and say, okay, Peller, she does not want you. And if I say I want you, they will support me.
Give it to me, my dear. If you tell your family,
quiet. See, this is a new generation. This is not olden days that they used to force children to marry this kind of person or say go for this man. No, this is a new generation. We decide for ourselves. I make my decision. I'm a woman and I know what I want.
So that's why you decided to be with me. God bless you.
Yeah, I can still decide tomorrow and say I don't want to be with you anymore.
And I'm going to lose for family. And I'm going to say, maybe now village people they carry them come out now me.
Yo, man.
So no try. I say, not tell me so. I kidnapper in the or something go. Don't be for you see. I want to tell you one thing. No, I want to tell you one thing. If you are playing, if me and you they play, no be using you can't marry me or anything and what is it you know go. No be using that be play with me for your life. Sleepless night for visa listen. This is a play. If I give you that best, whoa.
Did you say sleepless night? Are you okay? I told you you wanted to sleep. It was me that was awake and you were sleeping. What is wrong with you? Your sleepless night. It was me that had the sleepless night. You came to us with your sleeping.
Did I sleep? I sleep around 12 o'clock. I not tried. They dey grateful. You are not dey grateful. See, now we're seeing your papa. Hey, sorry. Now you start up. Yeah, sorry.
You are very mad.
I said sorry, girl. Now you go start the cooking. Now you go the paint. I just say make I come check you. No worry, if I don't finish, I will come your house. Cook it out for me, yeah?
I've already done the plantain. Maybe the egg I'll fry.
Plantain and the egg?
When you're close by.
Is it the plantain and the egg? Okay, I love you, baby. I'll come and eat the plantain and the egg. I miss your plantain and the egg. You always make me.
Shut up your mouth, right? Yeah!
You to shut up, wow. Person go they calm you down.
Stop it, I don't like it. Don't be doing all those
I swear your plantain and egg are the best now. I swear to God.
Don't talk about it.
You know I don't your plantain and egg. You play my mommy plantain and egg.
I would disconnect you. I said don't
play my mommy that I only love is what?
Really? I said I don't want you hyping. Don't be hyping me again. Don't be praising whatever I do.
I have to hype what I have.
I don't like it.
My baby, tell me say what is this? Your soup is the top notch. Jarvis soup now on road. See, I not be this one be hyping again. Your mama teach you to cook soup and you laugh. God bless you. Jarvis soup, I swear to God, have it. How many times I chop your rice a day? Tell them. How many times am I eat your rice if you cook finish? You go give me if I say I want more. How many? Talk. I go collect like 3 plates of rice before all day. You are thinking of it, I don't talk by myself. Like 4 or 3 plates of rice, I go collect. If Sabi cook soup, if I don't marry you, I don't know what it cause am.
No, please, I don't bring it. It's not my fault to marry you.
Maybe they say, I bring bride price. Maybe say now like 5 million.
No, you're very stupid. My bride price is not 5 million. My bride price is 100 million.
1 million. Good.
100 million. And inside that bride price, there are other things that you buy. There are a lot of things that you buy.
No be talking that thing. No be calling the money wey be say on for everybody for family. But na gather on our money together. I no fit read that money. So calm down. I no be.
It is you. You know what money now. Me, I'm priceless. They won't say they will not even want you to pay money. They want you to go
they don't want me to pay money because they don't do that. Don't try.
They will want you. See, let me tell you something. See, let me tell you something. See, my family will interrogate your life, See, and you'll be shaking.
I swear to Almighty God, David, no be say play or Lord, if I won't marry you like this. Now me go dey even the interrogation your family say, can your pikin cook? Can your I go say, see, sit down. Listen to me, I'll sit down like this. Mommy Amadu, can your pikin cook? I don't want to get that kind of, did she know how to pray? Because of I don't try. Oniduro me and say me in the hospital. I thought you oniduro, but you don't tell me and say Are you vexing? I'm sorry. I know that you don't like to be in that rubbish. I'm sorry. Papa.
Maybe. Nothing. Are you coming now?
I'll be coming very soon. I want to let these people bring my food so I can eat and believe.
You eat it, come and eat it. Come and eat it now. I'm not doing
it. Yeah, no. I'll come and eat your own. I'll throw this on you. I'm coming very soon. Let me bath. I count my $100 a lot that they give me. I'll now
bring the money now. Just bring it first. Let me just see if at all.
I'll bring small for you. People say I to give you small. No, you don't tell me to give you, but you don't like you want to see you. But I do video for you. You say, Savage, I love you so much. You are respected, 100. Yeah, bye, my love. I'm coming. Love you, sweetie.
I don't think my network is good though, but any other. And that is the end of the story. Hope you enjoyed your family. Actually, family.
How are you doing? Why you got on the queen? Why you got on the queen?
How have you been? I don't see your life at all.
I know. I've been busy filming at Oka.
Oh, okay.
I've been busy filming. Yeah.
It's nice to see you after a while.
I didn't like tomorrow.
Oshay, what's going on?
When I go shut down now, hold your boyfriend Peller because I go thief him. Hold your man. I say hold your man. And they can't thief your man, my girl.
Parabale, calm down. Which Peller are you talking about?
I'm Peller.
How? I don't understand. Did they tell you that the Zinto did this kind of connection?
I just want to beg you.
How you come to my live stream and disrespect Peller and say how do you rate him? How do you rate him? Me, I want to know.
Every day is a day.
Every day is a day. I don't do with you. Excuse me. Every day is a day. I don't do that.
Every day is a day.
See, I only beat you. Now you go suffer. They will punish you. I'll punish you going to the end of the game.
It's not possible. It's only tappers you have there. It's only tappers you have, and you have every day is a day. That's every day is a day.
Every day is a day.
Every day is a day.
How many games?
Thank you. Let's go. We are playing just 5 games.
Rihanna. 5 games, so every day is a day.
Every day is a day, 5 games.
Jesus,
Guys, let's
every
go.
day is a day. But I don't understand. Why are you saying that you sleep Peller?
56 persons. Guys, one more rose, let's go. Guys, one more rose. Chad, one more rose, guys, let's go. Chad, one more rose, let's go, Chad. Chad, one more rose, please. Chad, one more rose, guys. One more rose, let's go. Chad, one more rose, let's go, guys. One more rose, please, let's go.
Just join you, welcome.
Guys, one more rose, please, guys. Chad.
You will chop.
Guys,
You will chop on the I will clear.
Guys, one more rose, please. One more rose, let's go, guys. One more rose, let's go. Guys, the damn match. Guys, one more rose. Guys, Jarvis will not punish me now. Please, now. Emma Binuna, my fans, please.
Dwayne, you're welcome. Family, you're welcome. Thank you so much, guys. Everybody, power tap, spam roses.
Jarvis, is that thank you I'm saying?
No, you said I have tapas in the house. Yes.
Jarvis, it's gonna be normal days, so please. I just want to say.
Everybody, please use the times 3. Everybody on the times 3. Everybody on the times 3.
We couldn't get the triples again. We couldn't get the triples again.
More money. Everybody on the times 3.
We couldn't get the triples again.
Thank you so much, Cool Money. Cool. Hey, Cool, thank you so much.
We couldn't get the triples again.
Everybody, please use the times 3 and follow all my active gifters you see on the screen. My top 1 to top 3. Cool Money, thank you so much. King, thank you. Everybody, thank you so much. God bless you all. Everybody's make use of the times 3. But wait, though, with the confidence you came with, it's like you wanted to beat me. Eh?
Hi, Jarvis, my darling.
Leave me alone. Times 3, everybody. Thank you so much, Major. You're welcome in.
You know I'm your elder brother.
Elder brother.
I'm the elder brother. You bitch. Will you shut up, idiot? You swine.
I'm waiting.
Now, first you can be this. I want to be this. Guys,
let's
you must take it easy now. This is freaking 40k, Jarvis.
Yes, you say we are tapping. We are doing our work. Thank you very much. Everybody, let's go. Thank you so much, family. Push up, push. If we play 3 games and you cannot fight us back, me, I will leave. Everybody go to my top 1. Everybody go. Why are you not inside the house? How will I punish you now?
You want me to use my new take off for granted? Are you not wicked? Give me your normal days here, please.
Inside car.
Don't worry, give me your normal days.
No,
I'll put down.
Go inside. Oh yeah, normal days. I will think of. I will ask them. Guys, please tell me a dare to give to him because I don't know. Mr. Fisher, thank you so much.
Like, you waiting with this now? You wicked though.
You said we are tapping. That's what we are doing, actually.
Jesus.
Emmanuel, thank you.
I beg, one of my rest. You should rest, please. You should rest.
I'm telling you to cry.
This is not 40k. This is just 40k. Come on. What's your there? We don't fear. What's your there? Eh?
We are going to bet.
We are going to bet.
Yes.
What
From the next game.
What is the
if
bet?
I win, you drop me a lion.
Jarvis, really okay. Jarvis, really okay. Jarvis.
You do or you not do. I will go from here. You do or you not do. Let me go.
Jarvis is a damn match. Which one is bet? It's a damn match.
No, I not do there again. I not
Jarvis,
do there.
no.
Okay, I dare you to send me. I dare you to send me 500k.
What's the problem? Kill it by. You dare me to send me? I swear to God, Jarvis. If I send that lion, I invite the people here, Jarvis. I promise you, I'll ask you to send me 10 good lions. Don't joke with me. I'm very wicked.
Let's go. Are you sending lion or you're sending the 500k? Choose one.
Ah, Jarvis, this one is their match we are playing now. It's not exchange of gifts.
From the next game.
Oh yeah, from the fourth game. Let me invite my gifters.
Which fourth game?
We are playing 5 games now.
5 games isn't even not too much, Sef. Yeah?
We are playing 5 now from the 4th game. Let me go my gifters.
Okay. I don't know, guys. What should I tell him to do now? Talk to me.
Guys, Starward, come, let's take this lion home and this 500k. What that was you? Pray Starward is not your fortunate cosa. Jesus.
Wait, I'm not seeing comment section. Wait first.
In fact, let me invite somebody to come.
This first one, I dare you to send me 100k. This first one. It's a day game.
What is this now, Jarvis? Hey.
Oh, this one you're not inside your house. It's making the whole thing complicated.
Jarvis, I am outside, like I said. See, hey, you too do. I'm outside.
But there's no light.
There is light.
Okay, that chewing gum in your mouth, please use it to wrap your head very well.
I choose to wrap my head.